In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the 11th movement in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, which is taking the oblique position. This movement is a follow-on from the previous movement, which was 3 steps forward, and it's the first repeat movement in this section. I'm going to be demonstrating the movement at normal speed, along with breaking it down piece by piece. Coming up. Welcome back to Center Life Balance. In this channel, we're sharing the best principles, practices and techniques for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video series, I'm covering the step-by-step movements in the Lao Jia Yi Lu form first section. This video, we're covering the 11th movement, which is taking the oblique position. So let's get into the training. Beginning from the end of the previous movement, which was 3 steps forward. So from 3 steps forward, we're stepping forward here like this. The weight is in the back leg, right leg back, right hand down, left hand up in front of the body. So from here now, we're going to shift the weight forward onto the left leg, and as we do, we've got to change the hand. So left hand going slightly down, right hand coming up a bit to around this position here. Now as we've got the weight forward, now we've got to turn here, let the left hand open out like this. So turning here, left hand coming up into a hook. Now a little turn here, we turn in a little bit more to the left, and then the right hand opening out, and then relax. Weight forward now, left hand in a hook, right hand pressing out. So let's look at that again. So from here, weight is back, right hand down. We're going to shift the weight forward. So there's going to be a changing of weight. So if you've been following along since the beginning, you'll know that there's always going to be a change of weight in your Tai Chi movement. So we're going to be shifting the weight forward. Now, when you shift the weight forward onto the left leg, right leg's going to become more empty. Hips are going to have to change a little bit. So you're going to be doing this sort of a movement here with the hips. They're going to change. Okay? So from here, shifting the weight forward. So we're going to be changing weight, and as we shift the weight forward, we're going to be turning the body. So we're going to be shifting, and it's going to be a little bit of a turn in the body. Okay? And then after we've shifted forward, there's going to be a tilt. So we're going to tilt a little bit at the hips, but maintaining that alignment from the spine down to the heel. So we're going to be shifting the weight here. There's going to be a tilt, and then we're going to come around. So let's look at it now with the hands together. Shifting the weight forward and turning the body, changing the hands to this position here. From here now, tilting, and we got to turn here with the body. We're turning as we tilt and come back up, and then opening out and relax. Let's look at the movement now at normal pace. Let's look at the 2 movements together now. 3 steps forward, followed by taking the oblique position. That concludes this video, guys. Please post your comments below if you have any questions about Tai Chi, about the Lao Jia Yi Lu form, or about any questions about Tai Chi in general. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.